Appendicular skeleton, lower limb anatomy. Introduction. Welcome. Today we're breaking down the appendicular skeleton, lower limb anatomy in just 1 minute. Let's start. The lower limb is built for support, balance, and movement. It includes the hip bone, femur, patella, tibia, fibula, and the bones of the foot. Pelvic girdle. The hip bone is made of 3 fused parts, ilium, ischium, and pubis. Together, they form the acetabulum, the socket for the femur. Femur. The femur is the longest and strongest bone in the body. Key features include the head, neck, greater and lesser trochanters, and the distal condyles. Patella. The patella, the largest sesamoid bone, protects the knee and increases the power of the quadriceps. Tibia and fibula. The tibia is the weight